Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Electro crystals easily. First, open your in-game map and look for the distinct purple crystal icons, which indicate Electro crystal nodes. These are often found in mountainous regions or near cliffs. Once you've identified a location, teleport nearby and head towards the crystals. Remember, preparation is key for a smooth farming run. To effectively mine Electro crystals, always use a character wielding a claymore. Characters like Knoll or Razor are excellent choices as their heavy attacks break the crystals in just a few hits. Simply approach the node and unleash your normal attacks. The crystals will shatter, dropping valuable shards for you to pick up. Be sure to grab them before they disappear. For optimal farming, plan routes that connect several Electro crystal nodes. Many players find efficient paths in areas like Stormterror's Lair or the Gaian Stone Forest. Utilize your teleport waypoints to quickly move between different crystal locations, minimizing travel time. Repeating these routes daily ensures a steady supply of Electro crystals for all your crafting and ascension needs. To truly maximize your haul, consider bringing a portable waypoint to place near particularly dense, remote crystal clusters. This allows for even faster returns. Forming a team with friends who also need crystals can make the process quicker and more enjoyable, as you can cover more ground. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Happy farming, and may your inventory always be full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.